2008 VW Rabbit. Still got the huge stock Kelly converter. Still got a stock resonator, one of them. Then we cut the muffler off. And earlier in the year, he did another muffler delete. So we still got one more resonator on it. We cut the mid muffler and the rear muffler. Right there. And right there. And still got the resonator on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, see what you guys think.
It's 120.
VW Rabbit. All it's missing is the ears.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.